Singapore. Which country makes 31% of its money in 2013 from making things? 2013, 31%. South Korea. What percentage of Hong Kong's money in 2013 is from manufacturing? Hong Kong. Oh, 2%. Yeah, it used to make in the 70s and 80s. All the plastic toys came from Hong Kong. Not anymore. The trend for Hong Kong manufacturing. GDP 1975 to 2013 is steeply down. What is the trend for Singapore's manufacturing GDP? Singapore down. GDP is the acronym for Gross Domestic Product. What is the trend for Japan's manufacturing Gross Domestic Product? Manufacturing Japan down. South Korea's up. China's up in those years. How many people lived in Singapore in 1960? Millions of people. 1960. This many, which comes over to here. 1.2 million. No, 1.8 million. What is the trend? Up. Gone from 1.8 million to over 5 million. How many hectares of land did Singapore have in 1960? 1960 hectares of land. Land hectares 1960 had 59,000. 59,000. How many hectares of land did Singapore have in 2014? 2014? More. 72. There's so much more Singapore now than there used to be. We got it all from the sea by using rocks. Reclaimed land. Where is the extra land coming to the sea? How many hectares of land was used by the army in 2010? Defence. Thousands. 2010. Like about 13,000 hectares HA. How many hectares of land is predicted to be used by the army in 2030? 2030 prediction. 15,000 hectares. What? Oh, a hectare is 100 meters up, 100 meters wide. That's 1 hectare. That big square. What is the trend in land use? 100 meters is 100 yards. Approximately. Yeah, 100 meters is so close to 100 yards. It's easiest to remember that way. What is the trend in land use predicted for Singapore? A little bit more for the army, a bit more for housing increase, a bit more for what's this one? Oh, transport and utilities. Increasing, everything increasing apart from other. What is the source of this data? Ministry of National Development, Singapore Department Statistics. Singapore Department of Statistics. What does the acronym GDP stand for? Gross total amount of domestic product. Products made in your country. Domestic means in your country. What does GDP mean? Oh, don't need that. That's don't need. Change. What does manufacturing mean? making things like cars, toys, books. 100 metres long and 100 metres wide is the land area called a hectare. Good! Press like if you like my videos. Press subscribe if you want more. My name's Good Luck Gary. I teach in Hong Kong in the schools. I teach GCSE, IB, SAT, HSCs. If your mum wants me to help with your tutoring in the evenings or the weekend, Skype, or if you live in Hong Kong in mid-levels that can come to the house, get an email to goodluckgaryhk@gmail.com.